Uba umnikazi wala ubusi igama lakhe wala uthandana nekwerekwere usisibusi uyathandana nekwerekwere eba manje wenzana Zimbabwe wayifikela abantu sine program eshoyo bafuna ukuthi abantu base-Zimbabwe and other countries sicela ukuthi beye ukusebenza la South Africa sifuna kusebenza abantu bakithi imisebenzi emincane sizokunishaya sizokunibulala sizokunenza lutho yayigoli sicela nitshelane nonke amaZimbabweans nama-Nigerians nawonke umuntu okhama kolungiswa sicela nibuyele emakhaya sifuna abantu bakithi emalokishini koSoweto koThembisa koThokoza wonke amalokishi koBinoni sifuna abantu bakithi beza kwezokusebenza izwe lishodi ngamaskills but uhulumeni wethu uye kwenza kube ngathi abantu abakho bawazi ukusebenza asenizonda leli nezwe asinayo inzondo yenu sifuna ukulungisa izwe lethu thina uma usubuya uyazi ukuthi uma ufuna uzoba i-IT specialist la South Africa kufanele ube i-special request from the embassy yaseZimbabwe yenziwa i-specialist abhalele i-embassy ukuthi yazi la eSouth Africa sengidinga ama-IT specialist angiwatholi so-ke sengicela-ke manje ukuthi ngicela ningicingise eZimbabwe i-IT specialist so wena mawuza uyi-responsibility yekhampani efuna i-IT specialist akwenzeki ukuthi wena uyifikele uzobe i-IT specialist because maningi ama-IT specialist eSouth Africa so asilwi nani alo angeke nilimale engeke nibulawe ngeke niphucwe idose but into esiyicela kulini sicela nisihloniphe ngoba inkinga eseniyikhuluma manje nithi nina nisesathi nithi nina ningashaya thina sesiyesaba-ke thina ukuthi sihleli nabantu sibaphethe kahle kanti abantu bacabanga ukusishaya ake nithi ukuqhela-ke kancane so nisihloniphe yabo ukuthi sikhuluma kanjani nawe sihloniphe lokho because otherwise we can do it the other way. We want to sort out this issue of businesses employing illegal immigrants.
Brother, you have something to say?
No, let me talk. Yeah, no, I want to talk to you first, sir. Respectfully. Yes. All right. We come in peace.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we come in peace. We are not. We come in peace. We are actually today launching this operation here in Joburg. I'm from KZN, and we are launching this project. We are coming to your businesses to plead with you to employ South Africans. We don't need anyone from outside the country because this is a special. Even an uneducated person can work in a special.
Correct.
You know, and because you're going to teach him when you employ him, you will give him 3 months and you will teach him how to work in the shop. It is supposed to be like that. The law says that there is a probation period. When anybody is employed, they get a 3 months probation period, which you are entitled to release that person if that person is not teachable. But it's not fair for South Africans to even lose these small jobs like this, where they can make like 3,500 rand or 4,000 rand a month and feed their parents or whatever they can do. But we are coming to plead with you. We are not going to be asking you for any money. We are not going to be attacking your shops. We are not going to be attacking anyone illegal. As an illegal, let's say this guy is an illegal immigrant and he's working in your shop. We are not going to attack him. We are going to come in peace and we're going to ask you peacefully to respect the laws of the country and abide to the laws of labor laws, which says any company that employs the illegal immigrants or a foreign national is actually in infringement with the law. So you're supposed to only well, from where? Okay, you're not from Zimbabwe. You're from South Africa. Limpopo. I heard the girls are beautiful here. Yeah, no, thank you so much. We are not attacking, we're not fighting, we're coming in peace. We're trying to fix our country because you see this employment, and we applaud you for this employment because you are feeding, in a black family, one person feeds about 8 people. So you are actually helping 5 to 8 people by employing them. But the system in South Africa has long been saying South Africans are lazy, the foreign nationals are... This country was never built by foreign nationals. It was built by South Africans, dedicated, and some of them died through the struggle when they were fighting for this country. So we don't want to be insulted like that. And I know you got your brothers and other business partners somewhere. Tell them also we are peacefully.
Announce it on news.
Yeah, no, we
on the news. Yeah.
No, we will come live like this because the news. Not everybody watches the news anymore. Everybody is interested in the war and the news. Okay. Yeah. You don't have the permit to conduct business here. Yeah. You don't have. I know you don't have. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you, you don't have the permit.
I already have, boss.
Let me see the permit. It's a business permit.
Yeah, business permit.
Yeah, where did you get it from?
Where is it?
Where did you get it from?
This Pretoria.
Yeah,
yes.
But this is not Pretoria. This is Ekurhuleni.
This is a business paper to give only for get this.
Yeah, but you listen. Ekurhuleni municipality is supposed to give business permits because they are the ones. They are the local government. So you can't get a business, and this is not a business permit. Do you know a business permit? Do you know what is a?
I know this.
Do you know what is a business permit?
I know this.
A business permit is something that you get from the municipality. The municipality is saying you are owning the shop. Yeah. You are from Bangladesh. You are owning the shop here. You are selling 1, 2, 3. Now we just found you are putting meat and juices for the kids in the same fridge, which is wrong. Because you are not supposed to mix those things. The juices are supposed to go into the fridge, other fridge, and the meat is supposed to be in the other fridge.
No, I didn't put.
Yeah, I was there. I was there.
Please.
I was there.
Another?
No, it's not my first time in this shop. I was there.
You come in, I know, this uncle, everyone I know.
Yeah, you know.
Sometimes it's coming here, I know everything.
Yeah, but you don't have a business permit to conduct business here. You are not supposed to go and close the shop and go and get the permit from the municipality. Otherwise, my brother, I will chain the shop. I will close the shop and chain it myself. I'm asking you nicely. I'm not taking anything from you. I'm not taking your money. I'm not taking your stock, and I'm not disturbing anything. I'm asking you to close the shop and go and get the permit from the municipality. You are not supposed to operate without a business permit. Because we don't know if you do anything wrong here, we don't know where we are wrong.
You don't know this motion. I know this motion. This oil man, I know this motion.
Yeah.
So it's long time he's working this shop.
Yeah.
So it's a box bar.
Yeah.
How is going maybe to the
yeah. So close the shop until he comes.
No, I'm calling this guy. So this guy is coming. So
who is this guy? The owner.
Now is maybe box bar.
You are calling the owner.
Yeah.
The owner is coming.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm saying close the shop.
Bro, so long.
Close the shop. And then the owner, when he comes, then that's when we're going to discuss that with him. But close the shop now and sit in the car. Do that, please. Come in. Please do that now. You have to pay this lady. Hey, hey. When we are Dala, when it's not so discuss of Dala team. Please, hey, for Baba Miyake lengane thina sinaso isikhathi sokudlala phela thina. Bafo, hello. Close this shop now. So come ngaphandle kawan. Close the shop now, please. Do that now. No, don't call him. Close the shop. You said you call him. You said he's coming. You said he's coming. I'm saying close the shop and sit in the car. Let's wait for him outside. Let's wait for him outside the shop. Guys, are you understanding me? I don't care whether you call him. I asked you to call him. Yeah, so come out of the till. Why, when I'm peaceful, you are trying to be violent with me? Come out of the till, go to your car. Or wait outside here. Close the shop and call this guy.
Okay, I'm just closing there.
No, you have to be outside.
No, I just inside the middle. Then this outside.